Hi, and welcome back to Sea Sparkles Corner. As you can see, it's completely done. It's been cooking 4 minutes and more on the other side. And so I'm going to kind of set this down and remove this stuff onto the plate. I'm removing it onto my plate. And the potatoes. And all the potatoes. Setting it on the plate. Okay. Let me get this off the hot burner and put it in the sink. Okay, added water to it. All right. And here's what it looks like on the plate. Looks yummy. And I'm going to add some ketchup on it. I'm not recommending any brand. It just so happens that's the brand we got here. Bit of ketchup on each patty. Put that right back in the fridge right away. I'm still with you. Okay. And so you can see it from there. So I'm going to spread the ketchup across it and cut it, and it's fully cooked. Yeah, it's all fully cooked. And so I'm going to put that right in there. Okay. And taste test time. I'll get a bit of meat. Get a small piece of meat so I don't choke. Whoops. Yeah, I got a bit of meat here. Oh, hot, but it's good. Yummy in the tummy. Now I'll try a bit of the potato. Hot. Hot. And it's delicious. Very hot. And there you have it. A whole meal that you can cook in less than 10 minutes. And I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. And steak burgers, because this was ground steak and fried potatoes. Now, the difference is, remember, these potatoes were already fully cooked. So all I had to do was, cook them with them. So I already cooked the potatoes completely, boiled the potatoes almost till they were almost done, and then put them in the refrigerator for cooling. Then I finished cooking them with the meat. So that saved a lot of time. So thanks for watching, and as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkles Corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. Hugs and kisses from my family tours. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Enjoy.